Dreams in our eyes, goals in our sight, success in our vision, achievement is our mission, challenge in our blood, discipline in our soul, hard work is our strength, failures at an arm's length. We strive to make things happen for sure because we are known as entrepreneurs. A very good morning to all the entrepreneurs. I welcome you all to the Makers, a networking meet organized by Times Entrepreneur. As I just mentioned that we all are the entrepreneurs who strive to turn the impossible into I am possible. Yes, we do have that passion and this has been proved as we all have taken an initiative towards making our opportunities grow manifolds by being a valuable part of the Makers. The Makers is an inventive platform which has been designed for the very first time in India to empower the small-scale businesses, aspiring entrepreneurs and startups. It aims at benefiting those who dream to have their own business. This particular platform is designed to promote, generate business, support, mentor and expand the prospects of small-scale businesses and multiplying their opportunities using the most effective business strategies. We are the makers, we shape the future leaders who will be the makers of tomorrow. So, if business is on your mind and you have the passion to get known, then my dear entrepreneurs, you are at the right place. The Makers make way for a better tomorrow. Here, we believe in not just growing network, but planting relations which are long-lasting. So here I elaborate the benefits of joining the Makers. It provides you with an opportunity to be a speaker where you can showcase your business and its prospects. Here, you get an exposure of your business in front of other businesses, which is the USP of this networking meet. You get a quick exchange of business here at our requirement and referral session, which will be followed by business after the business speaking session. The Makers provide you the platform where you can build relationships that will benefit you to multiply business, increase revenue and customer sales or services. It is going to be a launch pad for the startups who can kickstart their business here. Since it is a networking meet, so I am sure entrepreneurs that you will be having a wider network after attending this meet. Here, you got a chance to get yourself identified as a brand. The Makers guarantees their enhanced credibility and profitability of your organization once you attend this networking meet. Last but not the least, you get an amazing marketing tool in the form of your video, which is going to be shot in our business speaking session. And I must tell you that you can use those videos later on all platforms like social media or public websites in order to enhance your business credibility. So entrepreneurs, the list of the benefits goes on and on. But I want you to practically enjoy all those benefits and share your business growth in our upcoming events, which will be organized fortnightly at different locations. Now, before we start with our business speaking session, I would like to introduce you all with a mastermind of this amazing concept and a very dynamic personality. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Rohit Rathore.